I've been so lucky in my life to have been able to do so much art in the last 30 years. And so here's my retrospective. Hope you enjoy it. All of these photos have been just taken as screenshots. So the quality's not that great and it's going to be pretty wonky. The cherry blossom pillows came from an original piece of art that I did. This watercolor was created very quickly, and thanks to print on demand, I was able to turn it into all kinds of prints. Same for this, which was just clip art on my tablet. More clip art that got turned into art canvases. And this one too. Created a line of wedding journals. Again, thanks to print on demand. This was Stationery HQ. This teeny tiny little graphic was done on my little tablet. Now we'll go into my Christmas stocking phase. It was huge. My theory was that you could pick any colors and patterns. I made really cute little tree skirts to match also. I like to call these personality stockings. Then we went into a phase where we were making 3-foot stockings. Back on this again, just to show you all the different ways you can print it. And a very quick watercolor got turned into all kinds of stuff. I loved this phase. These are just quick studies on my tablet. This is when I was turning my art into fabric. I went through a laundry bag phase. I just love that you can put your art on almost anything now. Adorable, sweet little greeting cards. And thanks to Photoshop, you can recolor. This has to be one of my all-time favorites because I did so many things with this. One, watercolor. Watercolor on my tablet. Yep, just with a stylus. Here's my clip art phase. I started doing art and then printing. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you've lasted this long, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.